what's going on, guys? Today is Saturday, and I'm just going to show you the update on our live funded next problem account. So first, I'm just going to show you the trade breakdown of the whole week. Right. Um, First we took our trade on USD which was a 1s2, right? And it took our trade profit, and we then took a trade on GBP on Wednesday. First trade was on Monday, second trade was on Wednesday, right here. It was a 1 to 3 trade, and it hit our take profit. Alright, and the last and final trade, I only took 3 trades this current week. So it was on GBP JPY actually. So on this trade, right, in other occasions I could have got this trade take profit with, but it is what it is, guys. We are not always right on the markets, right? So here we can see that there was a change of market structure. I completely ignored them, and according to our strategy, I used the exponential moving averages, the 150 and 21 exponential moving averages. I look at them in the 4 hour, 1 hour, and 30 minutes. Mainly, I concentrate on the 50 and 21 exponential moving averages. The 100 I don't usually use it, but when I need additional confirmation, I implement it. So in the 4 hour, at this point in time when I enter, if we look at our strategy, right, looking at the exponential moving average, right, in the 4 hour, we can see that they were facing upwards because the slower moving average was above the faster moving average. The slower moving average was below the faster moving average. The 50 exponential moving average was below the one with the 21 period exponential moving average. Then we go in the 1 hour. In the 1 hour, at this point, it was the same. At this certain point, that's where I entered. It had not yet crossed over like this. So it was also showing what in upward direction. But when we go in the 30 minutes now, in the 30 minutes at this point, it had already crossed over. So it was showing what a downward momentum. And when we delete them, alright, we are left with what? With these signals, with these emojis, showing me that in the 4 hour I saw an upward, in the 1 hour an upward, and in the 30 minutes a downward. When you are a day trader, right, when you're not just doing trader, the time frame with the smallest period, like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, they are the ones that can show you the immediate move, the immediate effect of that graph. And I just ignored that in 30 minutes, because what happens in the 4 hours, it first happens in the 15 minutes and in the 30 minutes before it starts happening in the 4 hours daily or weekly time frame. Right? The graph starts turning once it is still in the lower time frame before you can see that it has already turned in the bigger time frame. So this was one of the mistakes. The 1 hour and 30 minutes were not they were not in the same direction. So it was bound to hit a stop loss, right? And also there was a change of market structure where you're getting higher lows and higher highs, higher lows and higher highs, right? But there was a change of market structure here, right? It was now taking lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and lower highs, and I completely ignored that. This is when I got my first stop loss on the account. So we wanted to take a live session. So when I realized that, as soon as the stop loss hit, I realized that when my stop loss hit, the 1 hour was now facing downwards, 30 minutes downwards, but the 4 hours still facing upwards. So I realized that there was a downward momentum on this graph. So I was waiting for it to come here or here, right? Here or here, right? Where they are red arrows, right? So I was waiting for those moves to happen in the New York session because I took this trade in the London session. Right. So in the New York session, I was waiting to sell on GBP JPY, sell on what GBP USD, sell on JAW USD, and on AUD JPY, I was looking for a buy. But then I saw that there was high impact news. FundedNext sent me a notification that there's high impact news. So I had what? I had to postpone the live presentation to next week. So this current week, because they happen every Thursday, and on Thursday there was NFT, on Friday there was high impact news. On the time we checked the live presentation, so I ended up canceling the whole thing for the whole week. So this is it, guys. If we look at my currently on my FundedNext dashboard, you can see that because I only risk 0.5% of the account. My account is a 10k account, 0.5% is what 50 bucks, right? So if I want to risk to reward, I get 100 bucks. When if I want to free, I get 150 bucks. So this is just how it is, right? Just stop loss of what on GBP JPY, where I lost. It was around $56, commission included, right? Around $56. So this is it, guys. This is it. I'll just keep on updating you. So until next time, guys. Peace out.